Okay. Good do an unboxing video.
If that thing have good recording, you should not cut your hand.
I mean, why are you doing that?
What?
Let me see the box cutter.
Why?
Because he's throwing a warehouse.
What?
I'm the box cutter pro.
What?
Also, it's my special thing. Probably.
It is. It says Conan right there.
I mean, maybe I'm stupid. You ever thought of that? You ever be sensitive
A little bit.
to my dumb?
You're saying forever.
I'm so sorry.
This was Nick's birthday gift 2 years ago that I ordered a few days before his birthday. So on his birthday, he got a receipt that I had bought it. And now it's here 2 years later. Woo! Happy birthday, Nick!
Oh man, they
Wow.
got paper? I know, this is fucking fancy as shit, dog.
Wow, that like fits perfectly. Wow. Conan. He looks a little sad.
He is often described as sullen. I can't do it with one hand.
I know, it's like I could help you, but...
I know, I love it. It comes with 2 boxes because of all the extra stuff. So, like, if I'm understanding correctly, like, I think this second one is the actual game. And then, or, yeah, like, this one here I think is the actual game. And then this one is just, like, I think is just extra stuff.
It's, the Kickstarter.
Holy Christ. Yeah. You wanna hold this one?
Yeah.
You gotta point at it, stuff.
I'm pointing it. Why are you using that?
Why not?
Oh. It seems a little dumb.
Why are you so critical to the point where you're critical of how I open a box?
You're right. It's not important. Come on.
I know. I'm kind of bummed that I don't have like Conan the Barbarian music playing, because that would feel appropriate.
Ooh, wait. I can do that. Give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Goodness. Ah. I kind of want to just get to the miniatures, because they look so pretty.
Wow. You want me to hold that?
Oh, yes, please. Oh, motherfucking shit.
Damn.
Damn.
Wow. Are you supposed to paint those?
Yeah, basically. Which I think I will.
Oh, those are awesome miniatures.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some miniature painting practice. Holy balls.
Wow.
This is like 10 times the amount of miniatures I've ever owned. Oh my god. These are beautiful too. They're not like...
Oh, look at this guy.
Careful.
Look at his face.
Yeah.
That's awesome. He kind of just reminded me of a Megamind or something. Whatever that movie is called.
Yeah.
Oh, look at Ritzville! Oh! There's the cat in the box. She's in the Conan box.
That's what you get for letting Maury handle the camera.
Ah, so cute.
Alright. What else is... Oh, these are super cool. I like these.
What are they?
They're like the gem pieces that you use for the game.
There's more interesting over there. That cat in the box. Not this.
I love this so much.
Wow.
Like, I love this. Like, one of the first things that struck me about this game was the style of the game board.
Yeah.
Where it's like it was just kind of like, oh my goodness, that's such a weird, like, it's so weird that that's an innovation because it seems so simple, where they're just like, they have these like randomly shaped spaces, and they're like, yeah, it's a big room, so like, obviously it's more than one space, but like, who fucking cares what the spaces are shaped like? I don't know. So like, instead of having like, another board game might have done this room in 4 squares, but they're like, no, 3 spaces.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Irregular shapes.
Yeah, the irregular shaped spaces is like this one shows it a lot better too. Like,
Each of these huts are a space.
well, yeah, but like look at the outside area.
Oh, yeah.
Like space, 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 space.
Space. That is pretty nice.
Yeah.
It doesn't draw your attention too much and like ruins the board. Whereas
Yeah.
like if it were all squares and rectangles, it would just kind of like feel like a layer.
Oh my goodness. And like, another thing that made me so excited about this game is that the gameplay's, like, from what I saw 2 years ago, granted, the gameplay was fairly simplistic. Like, it's not like one of those many games I have where it's like crazy complicated.
Yeah.
And as much as I love it, I'm never going to get other people to play it with me. This is definitely like something that people would actually play.
Yeah.
Look, this board is 2 boats that are next to each other.
And they're sharks.
Sharks! And another shark. And look at the beautiful art. And then that's just garbage. It also, like, it's an interesting innovation too to like it's not modular dungeons. It's just 4 game boards, which is nonetheless like kind of a big deal.
Titties.
I do approve of titties. There's probably, you could even do like a campaign with these, I imagine. Alright, so that first box was delightful, and I've made a great big mess of it. I'm gonna put everything back. And because I want to open the second box without being irresponsible. Oh, here, hold this for a second. This tray goes on top of this tray.
Oh.
It's very fancy. These monsters are so good. Like, I'm liking, like, notice, like, the lion, for example, like, is not super detailed. So, like, I feel like I could be confident painting this.
Yeah.
And, like, maybe I'll just, like, leave this one unpainted for a little longer. until I've done some of the, like, because there's a fair number of ones that are, like, fairly simple molds.
Yeah.
And, like, I can paint those and feel like, man, even if I fuck it up, they're not going to look awful. Unlike some of these, like, really detailed ones where it's like, man, if I fuck it up, I'm going to be covering huge amounts of detail.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay. So, oh. So good. So good. I put it away improperly, but that's what I want. Oh, goodness. Barbarian is so good.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, you can do it.
It is one of those, like, has a ton of suction. Okay, and then, yeah, I think this is like our Kickstarter awards. So,
Nice.
these are quite a bit
Things
more of
from
these
the
cards.
swamp. This one's in French.
Conan the Vagabond.
Wow. For some reason, we just have a French version.
I think the developers
Are they French?
might be French.
Well.
I certainly don't, like, I recall there needing to be a translator on hand. Or at least there was a very thick accent on the original video. Oh my goodness! Just for fun, it comes with a map of the Hyborian Age.
Oh. Pandora?
Pandora.
Is this the whole world?
No.
Like, are the continents together?
Oh, I don't think so. I think just, like, the sea levels are lower,
Oh, okay.
you know?
Sure.
Because this is Africa. But then, like, yeah. Kushites.
Kushites. Bad. Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
I just bent it a little bit.
Oh no! World ending. Oh my good gods.
Whoa, this is crazy.
I have to take this out. I have to get my hands on that. It's taped. It's a dice bag.
It's a dice bag.
Oh good gods. That is so beautiful.
Whoa. Look at that.
And you know what? I think, does this go with it? I think it does.
Is it a tongue?
It's
What is
like,
it?
it's a tentacle.
Ah.
So like...
Oh, let me see it.
And then there's also like a middle piece here.
Wow. The thing from the swamp.
That is just so beautifully detailed. Yet more miniatures.
More miniatures. What?
Yeah. These look like they got knocked around a little bit, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. During the shipping process.
That's a camel. Oh, that's not a camel.
Congratulations for correctly identifying that.
Camel.
Yeah, see, like, I feel like I can be real confident painting this.
Nick is confident painting this.
You know? Like, that's something I can paint and feel good about.
Yeah. Oh, look. It's a bookshelf. Wow. Why is there furniture here? Look at this.
Probably because you need furniture.
What is this supposed to be?
I'm gonna start using it in lieu of my actual human-sized furniture.
Is this just supposed to be like a...
It's a sconce.
Oh, Nick knows the fancy. It's a bench.
These, I imagine, will be most useful. A chest.
A chest. Let's put the lid back on there.
Can't undo it right now.
Oh.
Alright, that is all of the stuff. And I am so stoked about it. Thank you, Maury. This is a lovely little gift.
No problem. It's only 2 years late.
I mean...
Not really. I mean...
The alternative right now is that, like, all of my Google Plus friends would be talking about, like, oh, yay, I got this. And I would be reminded, like, oh, yeah, that thing that I didn't have enough money to back at the time. I'm very sad. I'll get that right.
Yeah.
Oof.
Monsters, goodbye, monsters. You were beloved. Well.
Oh, my goodness. So many. So many, so much.
Yeah.
Where did this go?
Oh, that's where you took it out of my hands. Yeah, it goes on, it's under, it goes on the furniture.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it like covered the furniture. It goes.
Out of your hand?
Yeah, you did. I was like, I'm gonna put it back, and you were like, something more stupid. Wait. Okay, yeah.
Poor Maury. Must suffer so greatly under Nick.
These are such beautiful boxes.
They really are. Oh my goodness. This game is like... Oh.
This camera sucks. Good night.
Thank you very much for putting up with all of that. I appreciate it.